Hey Bearcats! This video will show you how to use some of the technology in SHSU classrooms. Today, we are going to demonstrate how to use the touch control panel. First, turn the panel on by touching the power button in the center of the screen. As the system is powering on, instructions will remind you to select Mic In if an audio pop-up displays on the computer. Select OK. The buttons on the top row of the panel are for the type of visual you would like to display on the projector screen. PC is for the computer located in the podium. Laptop is used in the event you bring your own device and plug it in. Doc Cam is to display what is on the document camera at the podium. And DVD Blu-ray is to use if you show a video using the DVD or Blu-ray player in the podium. Take note that if the classroom does not have the technology, a button for that technology will not be on the panel. The Hide Show Screen button will display or hide what is displayed on the projector screen. If using Zoom or other online meeting tools, the touch panel allows you to change the zoom of the classroom camera. Camera Preset 1 is Podium View, which focuses the camera on the podium. Camera Preset 2 is Wide Angle, which provides a wide-angle view of the front of the classroom. If you would prefer the camera to be pointed at a whiteboard or another location in the classroom, touch the Settings icon and use the arrow pad in the camera control area to manually adjust the position of the camera. If there is more than one projector in the room, they will be displayed in the Settings area, and each projector can be powered on and powered off in this area. The volume level of the podium and wireless microphones can be adjusted in the Mic Adjustments area. To lower the volume of your video so that you can speak, press the button in the bottom left corner. Press the button once to enable the feature. Press the button a second time to disable the feature. When you are done adjusting settings, select Close Page. The classroom speaker volume can be controlled at the bottom of the touch panel on the home screen. The speakers can be muted by selecting the Mute Speakers button, and the mics can be muted selecting the Mute Mics button. Thanks for watching, Bearcats. Check out our other videos in the Classroom Technology series for assistance with other classroom technology. As always, if you need additional help, contact our IT at SAM Service Desk at 936-294-1950. Thanks and have a great day.